Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. Brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware, your place to go for mulch and everything you need to make your yard look magnificent. 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, just north of the Southern State Parkway on Long Island, serving the entire tri state area. 631 756 1125 is the telephone number. In these inflationary times, they have the best prices in town because they make their own mulch, and they're you're supporting a local business, and that's really what is the bottom line. OmniTrueValue.com is the website. Also brought to you by Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, also on Long Island in Southwest Suffolk County. And their phone number is 631-597-5106. Whether you're decorating for your home come the holidays or you want to do this as a business, give them a call. The website is liholidaylighting.com. Hey, we cleared out overnight. Look at this. The satellite this morning across a good chunk of the Northeast down into the northern mid-Atlantic states, starting the day off with sunshine. But that's not going to last because if you look up to the north, we have an upper trough, and you can see it right here. These clouds running east-west across southern Canada, just north of New York State, and that trough is going to be moving to the southeast. So while we will have some sunshine for a while, we're also going to have some clouds that are going to be coming into the picture before too long. And I threw in the chance that there might be a late day scattered shower that could pop up as that upper trough moves on through. This does not look as powerful as what we saw on Saturday with that upper trough that came down and not only made the day look miserable, but produced that water spout in Barnegat Bay. Meanwhile, we have showers and thunderstorms developing across the western Gulf states, and that area of cloudiness is moving eastward. And those thunderstorms are also going to be pushing eastward. This is going to be more of a rain producer than a severe weather producer, I think. So some of the rainfall amounts are going to be heavy, and eventually that's going to be moving into the southeast and into the Carolinas before it all moves out to our south. So that's the good news there. And they're winding down another round of snow in Colorado, and that upper air system responsible for that is moving eastward, and it's all part of this mess that is down across the lower Gulf states. The good news for us is that once that upper trough moves on through here, we should have a nice couple of days ahead of us. Nothing on the radar this morning other than some scattered precip up in Maine. You can see the showers and storms down from East Texas into southeastern Louisiana, part of that developing area of heavy rain and thunderstorms there. The last of the precip in Colorado still going on this morning, mostly east of Denver and north of Denver. That is moving eastward and on the radar again. This is as of 8:30 Eastern time. You're seeing some showers and heavy rains in a band across Kansas and on over into Missouri. The Storm Prediction Center today has marginal risk for much of Texas and across the lower Gulf states, marginal risk for severe weather. Again, the issue here is going to be the heavy rain more than anything else. And in the Northeast, because of the upper trough coming through in those scattered showers, there could be the odd convective little thunderstorm that could develop. And the Storm Prediction Center has put in an area of general thunderstorms, mainly north and west of the coast in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwest New Jersey, and on up through New York State and further north up into New England. The severe weather risks this week are marginal at best, as the pattern is just not favorable for any kind of widespread outbreak. Meanwhile, you can see the rain that's going to be produced from Texas into the central Gulf, 1.5 to 3 inches or more in some areas, and the area of rain of up to an inch to 1.5 inches, also extending through Georgia and South Carolina. This is a 7-day forecast, so much of what you see in the southern and central plains and in the western Gulf will be occurring today and then further east as we go into tomorrow. So just want to run through some of the high temperature expectations for today. Because of cloud cover, it's going to probably put a limit on how warm it will get. Looks like the general range will be from about 60 to 65 from northeast Virginia to southern New England. You head up north and west into northeastern Pennsylvania, and then up into the middle and upper Hudson Valley, you start to get into temperatures that won't be getting out of the 50s. Now, tomorrow, with a better day in store, we should be able to nudge the temperatures up a little bit, low to mid 60s just about everywhere. And then on Thursday, which will probably wind up being the best day of this week with the sunshine from start to finish, we might be able to push temperatures up to between 65 and 70 from northeast Virginia all the way up into southern New England. And then we start to put a cap on those temperatures. They probably won't go too much higher, upper 60s to low 70s on Friday. And then for the weekend, we're probably going to be holding close to that range for both Saturday and into Sunday. This is actually a little bit below average. We're at the time of year, of course, that the sun can really do a good job at warming things up. So here's how it plays out on the surface here from the overnight GFS model. You know, the upper trough in southern Canada moves on through. You can see that the model just kind of shows a few scattered showers. The rain in the Gulf states begins to move eastward. Big high coming down. That suppresses all that Gulf moisture so it doesn't move up the East Coast. High pressure builds in for Wednesday and for Thursday. And we're going to be sitting with this high along the East Coast. Just it sort of reforms there over Lake Huron for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. There are going to be a series of upper air disturbances running through the Northeast Friday through Sunday, triggering off maybe a couple of scattered showers on Friday inland, Saturday the same, and then Sunday the same. And then we're going to get more energy to come out with perhaps a better chance for rain early next week. And by the way, when we looked at models days ago, hinting at a warm up for a few days next week, obviously that's not going to be happening, mainly because of this blocking pattern that we're in. And that is going to continue to rear its ugly head. Occasionally, models will try to show things warming up, only to have that block really take control. And now it looks as if the first half of next week is going to start off on the wet side with a cold front eventually heading through the East Coast sometime later Tuesday or Tuesday night. And then it turns, it turns chilly and dry for the second half of next week. So if you're looking for long stretches of warm weather and above normal temperatures, they're just not in the cards at this moment, not until this blocking pattern goes away. Weather in 5 brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware. They've got all the mulch you need because they make it there, and that means their prices are lower than everybody else. 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, 631-756-1125. And the website is omnitruevalue.com. And Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, 631-957-5106. And the website there is liholidaylighting.com. So enjoy the sunshine while you have it before that trough moves on southward later today. The Joe and Joe Weather Show coming up tonight at 7:30 Eastern Time. There's a rocket launch going on at Wallops Island, Virginia. NASA sending up a rocket. They tried last night, but they couldn't because of strong upper level winds. So they're going to try it again tonight. We're going to carry that live should the launch go off. So be sure to tune in for that on the Joe and Joe Weather Show on my YouTube channel, which if you can't find it, just type my name in the search box, Joe Cioffi. Have a great day, everybody, and we will see you later.